doing this admin troll tower, but if I fall, I have to tell my besties she is annoying. Let's go. Okay, so as you can see, I'm already starting. I'm jumping over the damaged bricks, and I'm going up the ladder. I'm doing pretty good. So as you can see, I've done a lot. I've gone pretty far, and I'm feeling pretty confident. No, are you serious? That means now I have to go tell my friend that she's annoying. Let's go.